challenge for you. Let's say that we have Scrabble tiles, and we have 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's say they happen to be the letters that will eventually spell New York. Okay. What's the chances that we pull them out of a bag and it spells New York? Like we get an N, and then we get an E, and then we get a W. Or this is the same thing as a monkey sitting at a typewriter, sort of. It would be a 7-letter typewriter. But what's the chances that we pull them out of the bag? What's the probability? And it spells New York. So that's the first letter, the second letter, the third letter, the fourth letter, the fifth letter, the sixth letter, and the seventh letter. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 choices for the first letter. This is the number of the letter. We have, once we take one letter out of the bag, that leaves 6 choices. This is a classic shortcut. Once we take a letter out, we have 5 choices left for the third letter. We have 4 choices for the fourth letter, which leaves 3 for the fifth letter, which leaves 2 for the sixth letter, 2 choices, which leaves only 1. And if you think about it, that's the same thing as 7p7. I mean, really, because the formula is 7 factorial over the first number minus the second number factorial, which is 7 factorial over 0 factorial. And we know, and please don't tell anyone how we know, how it's permanently known, that 0 factorial is the same thing as 1. So that's the same thing as 7 factorial over 1, which is just 7 factorial. And this shortcut is 7 times 7. This represents 7 factorial. Now, there's 7 factorial possible combinations. I'm going to not do that math because it's not worth it to me. What are the chances that the letters we pull out of the bag spell New York? What are the chances that it automatically spells New York for us? And let's think about this. That's only one possibility out of 7 factorial possibilities. So as it turns out, the probability of spelling New York, is 1 over 7 factorial. The total number of combinations that we could have with 7 letters, I should have said permutations. Sorry about that. The total number of permutations of 7 letters, but there's only one time when they spell out New York. There's only one instance. All the other instances that we have are like NWEYOURK and YEW, whatever. We have 7 factorial different possibilities, but only one of them will be a monkey pulling letters out of a Scrabble bag, or Karen Blumberg pulling letters out of a Scrabble bag and spelling New York right away.